返工返學要你用英文寫篇 essay 或者 email， 但你完全唔識寫，點算好 ？And traditional ways can't get your work done anymore。喂，我篇嘢寫好未啊？
你哋未俾錢，同埋通脹加咗價。
咩話 ？Or do you need to write an English proposal when you've never written one？
條友真係唔識㗎喎。
It's tough, isn't it? You don't need to be scared because the future is here. My name is Maggie. Today I'm going to show you 2 free tools that will make your English seem 10 times better and your life more productive. Yeah, by the way, this is not a sponsored video, but I welcome sponsors. ChatGPT. What is it? 最近 ChatGPT 喺外國被瘋狂報導。
ChatGPT.
ChatGPT, a new artificial intelligence tool known as ChatGPT.
佢其實係個 website 就好似 Google 咁樣，不過比 Google 更加好。你可以好似同一個真人傾緊偈咁樣，問你想問嘅問題，而佢哋係會用 AI 人工智能俾一個好似真人答覆你咁樣嘅答案。So you're probably asking, how can I use it to learn, write, and practice my English? ChatGPT 可以好似真係有個真人喺度咁樣，幫你寫 email、寫文章，甚至乎 recommendation letters 等等。Write a complaint letter to ABC restaurant。咁 ChatGPT 已經極速俾一個嘅 sample 俾你。咁當然個嘅情況係會唔一樣啦，咁所以咧你係可以 customize 佢嘅。Complain that the coffee was too hot， 真係唔好講笑，呢個係真人真事嚟嘅。我記得當時咧就係喺美國嗰度咧有個阿婆咧就走去 complain McDonald's 話佢啲 coffee 咧就太熱啦，咁佢最後尾係真係勝訴，而且仲係有錢收嘅。你叫一個真人去 customize 呢封信都需要一啲嘅時間，但係佢呢度咧幾秒鐘咧就已經寫咗出嚟啦。你仲可以叫佢用唔同嘅 tone 語氣去寫，可以叫佢寫得 professional 啲又得。叫佢寫到好似成個10歲嘅細路咁樣又得。
Change the tone to a 10-year-old。
不過如果你唔想用或者喺你個國家入邊用唔到 ChatGPT，U.com 都可以做到差唔多相同嘅嘢。But ultimately, I think ChatGPT is better. ChatGPT 亦都可以幫你 proofread 你所寫嘅嘢。相信大家都聽過 We and Us a new chapter together 呢一句嘅口號。咁我哋又問下 ChatGPT 呢句寫成點？哦，即係咁嘅，咁大致上咧就話 We and Us is awkward and unclear， 即係奇怪同埋含糊不清。仲俾埋 suggestion 俾你 ，Let's start a new chapter together， 或者係 We can begin a new chapter together 會更加好。老細或者老師要你 summarize 一篇文章或者報告，我知道好多學生都覺得寫 summary 係一件好難嘅事。
Oh, I wish I could, but I don't want to.
But ChatGPT can do that for you too.
Go for it.Get in front, not behind.
好啦，我哋試下用 ChatGPT 去 summarize 呢篇嘅 speech 演說先。咁喺呢個 speech 入邊咧，佢就提到一句 Go for it, get in front, not behind。咁可能我讀得少少，見識又淺薄，咁就可能唔係太明白佢呢句真正嘅意思。
最大的漂亮屁屁，最想擁抱的漂亮屁屁。
爸爸，你很會讚美人呢。
是吧？
但係唔緊要 ，ChatGPT 可以幫你解釋得到，仲可以 summarize 添。Indicating that the worst is over and encourages the audience to take advantage of it by getting in front of the opportunity. 除咗普通嘅文章同埋 email， 仲可以寫埋 short stories. Yeah, students, you can thank me later. Best of all, it's all grammatically correct. Write a funny story about Aunt Margaret. 咁啲老師咧好中意講明字數啊嘛，我哋就寫100 words. Write it like a 7-year-old. 其實用呢個咧係真係有種出貓嘅感覺。
State school students can no longer use an artificial intelligence program in the classroom.
你仲可以 customize 佢幫你寫嘅嘢，減低俾人哋話你 plagiarize 嘅風險。佢原本寫嘅嗰個故事咧就提及到一隻嘅 bunny 啦，咁我哋咧就 change the pet to a cat。咁佢就真係因應翻隻貓咧去修改咗個故事 ，very impressive, isn't it？ 啲老師咪成日話你寫錯 grammar 或者內容唔夠豐富嘅。
Give me a break!
ChatGPT can correct your grammar and offer suggestions on how to add more details to your writing. 老師要你加多個對話 dialogue, no problem. 仲可以攞嚟練習英文對話。嚟緊有 interview 咁就啱晒啦。咁個做法咧就係可以叫 ChatGPT 去寫個 interview script for ESL people。咁 ESL 意思就係 English as a second language 嘅人啦。咁變咗咁樣咧，佢用字就應該會簡單啲。令到我哋可以更加容易啲講到出嚟。不過據我所知 ，ChatGPT 就暫時係唔可以發音嘅，但都唔緊要，我哋可以試下用 Speechify 呢一個嘅 website。 將你所得到嘅 script 就 copy and paste 落去，然之後選擇翻你想要嘅人聲去讀翻出嚟，仲有唔同名人把聲可以俾你去揀，連 Snoop Dogg 都有添啊！
My name is Maggie.
My name is Maggie.
ChatGPT seems amazing, but there's a downside to it. 某啲國家咧係用唔到 ChatGPT 嘅，除非你用 VPN 同埋有一個外國嘅電話號碼，或者用 U.com 頂住檔先啦。It's scary how smart these AI websites are, isn't it?
Stop. Ava, I said stop.
But I suppose that's the future. Like I said earlier, this video is not sponsored by ChatGPT or U.com, but check them out anyways. Do you like this video? Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can also support my channel by purchasing a super thanks, so we all can keep learning English for free on this channel. Thanks for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. 需要英文 grammar 文法練習，請到 theinkworkshop.com 嗰度購買同埋下載，好過去書局買一本習作，更仔細嘅文法練習。